Hello everyone, it's trending now.
Make sure you support this channel by hitting the like button and subscribing to us. Thanks, and let's get right into this video. This guy figured out a way to fix toilets and sinks with instant noodles. These people thought this buffalo was gonna hit their car. This guy has a sandfish as a pet. These reptiles live in Egypt and they are called sandfish because they swim through sand like a fish swims through water. This turtle's shell is so shiny, it can act like a mirror. This person started their own business by popping popcorn over a real fire.